Today we'll start with the problem set of quadratic equation. Problem set 2 of Maths 1. Okay, algebra. So which first which is the multiple choice question, we need to say which is the correct answer. Which is the quadratic equation? So we have the four equations over here. We'll just simplify it and check whether which of the following is a quadratic equation or not. So first I will cross multiply over here. So 5 minus 3 into x 3x upon x is equal to x square. X will go there. We have 5 minus 3x to x cube. So it is x cube. So it is cubic. So this is not the quadratic equation. We have this x bracket x plus 5. So we have x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So we have this as a quadratic equation. So yes, this is a quadratic equation. But still we'll check all the sums. See, we have 1 and 1 over here. So it is a linear. So it is no use. X square in the denominator, they will go there and become x plus 2 is equal to x into x square. We have x cube. Okay, so we came to know that B is the quadratic equation. Again we have four polynomials and we need to check whether which is not the quadratic equation. So let's see. See, in the first one, x square in the LHS and x square in the RHS will get cancelled. So yes, this is not the quadratic equation. Over here, x square 4x will come here and become minus 4x is equal to 0. So yes, it is a quadratic equation. Okay. Again we have 5x square. Yes, it is also a quadratic equation. Over here, see here also x square will not get cancelled because we have minus sign over here. We will just write it properly. 2x as it is. Minus x square will become plus x square plus 5. So we have 2x square plus 5. 2x square minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Yes, so this is also a quadratic equation. Which is not the quadratic equation? The first one where x square gets cancelled. Okay. Okay, in the third question, we have a quadratic equation. It is given that roots are real and equal. See, when if roots are real and equal, therefore we can say b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Okay, nature of the roots is equal to 0. So what is b over here? We have k square minus 4 into a as it is, and c is k is equal to 0. So k square minus 4k is equal to 0. Can I take k common? Yes. So taking k common, k minus 4 is equal to 0. We have two brackets. K is equal to 0 and k minus 4 is equal to 0. K is equal to 0 and k is equal to 4. So do we have two options, 0 and 4? Yes, it is the third one. Okay. So C is the right answer. Okay, in the fifth question, which of the following... Okay, I missed out the fourth question. Okay, I will do the fifth one, then I will do the fourth one. Okay. Which of the following quadratic equation has roots 3 and 5? So we have the roots. With the help of the roots, can I frame the quadratic equation? Yes. So quadratic equation is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. X square minus, what is the sum? 3 plus 5, product 3 into 5 is equal to 0. 5 3 is the 4. Do we have x square minus 8x plus 15? X square minus 8x plus 15. Yes, it is the B1. Okay. We also have 8x, but it is plus sign and minus sign. So this is correct one. Okay. The fifth one. And the fourth one which was remaining, I will do it here only. Okay, the question is square root of 2x square minus 5x plus square root of 2 is equal to 0. Find the value of the discriminant. Discriminant is nothing but b square minus 4ac, and the options are minus 5, 17, root 2, and it is 2 root 2 minus 5. 2 root 2 minus 5. Okay, so let's see. So b square minus 4ac. What is b? It is minus 5 square minus 4 into a is root 2 and c is also root 2. Square root of 5 square is 25 minus 4 as it is 2 root 2 into root 2 2. 25 minus 8 and 25 minus 8 is 17. Okay, do we have 17? Yes, it is option B. Okay, so while solving it, please do the fourth one first and do the fifth one. Okay, that would be right chronologically. Okay, the sixth one is a trick question. Please star mark the question. The question is, find the equation having sum of the roots. See, we know that in the quadratic equation x square minus sum of the roots into x. In the middle we have sum of the roots, but with the minus sign outside the bracket. Okay, so this is very important point which you need to pay attention on. So let's see. First one. First of all, the quadratic equation x square should be coefficient of x square should be 1. For a1 we have 3x square minus 15x plus 3 is equal to 0. Dividing by 3, this gets cancelled. We have x square, 3 5s are 15 plus, okay, we have minus 5 over here. Okay, but if I write it properly, it will be x square minus, okay, so 5 will be the sum of the root because minus sign is going outside. So sum of the root is 5 over here and we want it as minus 5. Therefore, this is not the solution. Okay. So for A is gone. Now for B. X square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. So again we have sum of the root as 5 because after minus sign is the sum of the roots. So it is 5. Again B is not the solution. 3C cannot be solution because it is 3 over here. So we no need to check for this. Now D1. Very interesting one. 3x square plus 15x plus 3 is equal to 0. Dividing by 3. So when I will divide it by 3, gets cancelled. We have x square plus 3 5s are 15 plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. But how do we write the quadratic equation? X square minus sum of the roots. To get plus 5, I will write minus 5 inside. Okay, minus minus become plus. This is very important, okay? So we can I say that the sum of the root is minus 5? Yes. So see, you can see minus sign and sum of the root. Minus sign and sum of the root. So therefore solution for this is D. Okay, the sixth one. Okay, in the seventh one we need to say whether which of the following statement is true. Okay, so we have the quadratic equation where a is equal to square root of 5, b is equal to minus square root of 5 and c is equal to square root of 5. We will find the value of the nature of the roots. So b square minus 4ac, that is square root of 5 the whole square minus 4 into a into c. Okay, minus will become plus. Square root of 5 square is 5 minus 4 into square root of 5 into square root of 5, 5. 5 minus 5 4s are 20. I have minus 15. So it is negative. So I can say that roots are not real. Okay, understanding? Okay. So one root of the quadratic equation of this quadratic equation is 2, we need to find m. And this is the last question of the multiple choice. Okay, so let's see. We can substitute the value of 2 as this is the root of the equation, and after substituting the value of 2 in place of x, I will get the value of m. So put m is equal to 2 in the equation. This is your rough work. Okay, you will get the marks only for the correct answer you take mark. Okay, so 2 square plus m into 2 minus 5 is equal to 0. 4 plus 2m minus 5 is equal to 0. 2m. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. 2m is equal to minus 1 will go there and become plus 1. M is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, m is equal to 1 upon 2. Do we have 1 upon 2? Yes. So the correct answer is 1 upon 2. Okay. Now which of the following is quadratic? Now in the first part it is easy. We have x square plus 2x plus 11. So yes, we can say that for the first part it is a quadratic equation. Okay, let's see for the second. In second part, x square get cancelled. We only have minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. Okay. Now for the third part, we will open the bracket. A plus b the whole square. We have a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. Okay, so we have x square plus 2 2s are 4x plus 4 is equal to 2x square. We have 2x square, so minus 2x square plus 2x square will come here and become minus 2x square plus x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to minus 2x square plus x square is minus x square plus 4x plus 4. So yes, we can say that yes, it is quadratic equation. Okay. Okay. Now in the third question, we need to find the value of the discriminant. Discriminant is nothing but b square minus 4ac. Okay. So let's start with the first one. Draw a line. If we compare this, comparing with ax square plus ay square, because we have y, plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so what is the value of a? A is equal to 2. What is the value of b? B is equal to nothing means minus 1, and c is equal to 2. Okay, let me check the question again. 2y square minus y plus 2. Yes, it is correct. So now we will find the value of b square minus 4ac. Okay, so I will do it over here. B square, that is minus 1 square minus 4 into, what is the value of a? 2, and what is the value of c? Is 2 again. So minus 1 square is 1, minus as it is 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So 1 minus 16 is minus 15. So what is the value of the discriminant? Represented by delta is minus 15. We don't need to say whether it is real or unequal or nothing. Just find the value of the discriminant. Find the value of the discriminant. That's it. Okay. Again comparing with am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 1, and we don't have constant, so we will take 0. So b square minus 4ac is minus 1 square minus 4 into a into c. Minus 1 square is 1. Okay, and this 0 multiplied by this will be 1. Okay, so b square minus 4ac is 1 over here. Okay, or I can say delta is equal to 1. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0, so it is 1. Okay, 4 is this. Now over here again I will compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to square root of 5, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus square root of 5. So b square minus 4ac minus 1 square minus 4 into a into c. Minus 1 square is 1, minus minus plus, okay, 4. 5 to the root of 5 into square root of 5, 5. 1 plus 5 4s are 20. We have 21. Okay, so let me check it again. Minus 1 square is 1, minus minus plus 5 is 20. Yes, so square root delta or discriminant is 21. So that was the question. Third question, we only need to find the value of the discriminant. Okay, so one root of the quadratic equation is minus 2. Find the value of k. So let's put one root is minus 2. Can substitute 2 in place of minus 2. Please put x is equal to minus 2 in the equation. So we have 2 into minus 2 square, k into minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 2 square is 4. So we have minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so 2 4s is 8. Minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 4 minus 2. Okay, so 8 minus 2 is 6. Minus 2k is equal to 0. Minus 2k will go there and become plus 2k. K is equal to 6 upon 2. K is equal to 3. Okay, the value of k is 3. So again just cross checking it. Minus 2 square is 4. 4 2s are 8. Minus 2 minus, yes, it's right. Okay, so this was the fourth one. Okay, in the fifth question, two roots of the quadratic equation are given and we need to just frame the quadratic equation. So what is the formula to frame the quadratic equation? The first one is 10 and minus 10. So we have x square minus sum of the roots. Or I will do one thing. We have two roots, so we will take alpha is equal to 10 and beta is equal to minus 10. So we have two roots. So x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0 will be the quadratic equation. X square minus 10 plus minus 10 plus alpha into beta 10 into minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, x square minus 10 minus 10 and 10 tens are 100 plus minus is equal to 0. Minus 10 plus 10 cancel, 0x don't have any value. So the quadratic equation is x square minus 100 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation for the first one where roots are 10 and minus 10. Okay, copy it down or take the screenshot and erase it. For the B part, alpha is equal to 1 plus 3 root 5 and beta is equal to 1 minus 3 root 5 and 1 plus 3 root 5. To frame the quadratic equation, do we need alpha plus beta? Yes, so I'll just find the value of alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta gets cancelled. 1 plus 1 will be 2. So we have sum of the roots as 2. Now product of the roots. So alpha multiply by beta. So alpha into beta is a minus ba plus b is a square minus b square. 1 minus 3 square is 9, square root of 5 square is 5. 1 minus 9 5 are 45 minus 44. Okay, so a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square 1, 3 9, so root of 5 is 5, 1 9 5 are 45 minus 44. Okay, so we have alpha plus beta and we have alpha minus beta. Now we will frame the quadratic equation. Therefore x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. Okay, x square minus sum of the roots, that is 2, and product of the roots is minus 44. So x square minus 2x minus 44 is equal to 0. Okay, let's check. 1 plus 1 2 b square minus b square 3 square and sort of 5 45 minus 1. Yes. Okay, please take the screenshot of the quadratic equation. I will do the next one. Third one. Is 1 2 3 or ABC? 1 2 3. That is 2. Okay, not B. For the third one, we have alpha as 0 and beta as 7. Okay, so for the sum of the roots, 0 plus 7, so we have 7. Product of the roots, that is 0 into 7. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. For the quadratic equation, x square minus sum of the root into x plus product is equal to 0. So x square minus sum of the roots is 7x and product of the roots is 0. So if you don't write 0, then also it is okay. So this is the quadratic equation, x square minus 7x. Okay. Okay. In the sixth question, we need to determine the nature of the roots. We have already done it. Without wasting any second, I will just try to solve it. The first one, we have 3x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, so comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what is the value of a? It is 3. What is the value of b? It is minus 5. And what is the value of c? It is 7. Okay, so b square minus 4ac. To find the nature of the roots, we need to find b square minus 4ac. That is b square minus 4 into a into 4ac. 5 square is 25. 7 3s are 21. 21 4s is 84. So we have 84 minus 25, 59. Okay, so it is negative. As it is negative, therefore as b square minus 4ac is less than 0, therefore roots are not real. Okay, if it is greater than 0, it is real and equal, real and unequal, and if it is equal to 0, then it is real and equal. Okay, so take the screenshot of this if you want. I'll erase and do the second one. Square root of 3x square plus root 2x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Okay, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what is the value of a? A is equal to root 3, b is equal to root 2, and c is equal to minus root 3. Okay, so b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is minus 2 square minus 4 into root 3 4 ac. A into c is minus 2. Okay, if there is root, please pay attention properly and do it slowly. So root 2 square is 2, minus and minus will become plus, 4 as it is. I'll do one thing, 4 2s are will be 8, root 3 into root 3 will be 3. So 2 8 3s are is 24, 24 2s are is 24 plus 2 is 26. So it is greater than 0. So I can say that as b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, therefore roots are real and unequal. Okay, now let's move to the third one. Okay, this was the second one. So for the third one, we have m square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 and c is also equal to 1. Sorry, I forgot to write that statement. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so what is the value of a? A is 1, b is minus 2 and c is 1. Okay, pay attention properly. So b square minus 4ac. b square means minus 2 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 1. Minus 2 square is 4, minus 4 ones are 4. So it is 0. As it is 0, therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore roots are real and equal. Okay, so this was the sixth question of problem set 2. Okay, total there are 15 questions.